Hello everyone, my name is Gaurav Kulkarni and today I'll be sharing some information regarding the exception handling in Java. So in this series or in this lecture itself, we are not going to check the exception handling in the very technical manner, but we are going to understand the exception handling in the very basic concept. So watch it. So first of all, what is meant by exception and what does mean by exception handling? These two terms are differ as the name. So first of all, we will understand what does mean by exception and exception handling in a very basic manner. So suppose I am a student, I am having some schedule of similar kind for the day to day itself. So suppose I have to wake up in the morning, prepare myself, then taking my conveyance, and I have to rush for the institute itself. So this is my schedule of daily. So I have to follow the schedule very strictly and it's in the same manner or in the normal manner to conclude my day. So suppose I have to while as I have to follow the schedule, but due to some unwanted or unexpected reasons, my schedule has been disturbed. So suppose like I am traveling with the bike for reaching the institute, but I have got a flat tire. So the flat tire situation was unexpected and unwanted for me, but which disturbs my normal flow to reaching the institute. So this is called as exception. Exception is nothing but it is an unwanted and unexpected situation happens. So nobody wants it. So to maintain my normal flow of life, I have to find another parallel way so I can reach the institute today itself. So the procedure or the method or mechanism we are going to use to create a parallel way or another way is called as handling. So in technical manner we will understand the exception handling. Like so let's understand it in technical manner. Like I have to create a program or application for which I have written 10 lines of code. So the first line is number 1, the statement number 1, statement number 2, statement number 3. So if there is no flaw or no obligate available in the code, the code will going to be executed in the normal manner. But due to we are human and we can make a mistakes and it is fairly possible. But when an error occurs in the code will stop executing for the same line as the JVM reads the code in runtime by line, and you have to clear the mistake on point, so the JVM can conclude the remaining code also. So suppose my first 4 lines are going to be executed and the error occurred in the 5th line, then the JVM will start the JVM will not going to execute the next line after the code where error occurred. So to maintain the normal flow, I have to provide a mechanism or I have to provide a method by which the error can be neglected and then remaining code also going to be executed. So this is called as exception handling. So where you have to write a code to avoid that error from the earlier line and then next for the continuation of the remaining program. So basically we have understood what does mean by exceptional and what does mean by exception handling. So in exception handling, when we write a code to neglect to ignore the error, we are not going to cure the exception. Like in my previous example, I'm not going to take out my puncture and wait for the, but instead of taking out puncture or making my flat tires run very well, I have to find a different or simultaneous way to reach the institute. So in the technical manner or in the programming language, we are not going to cure or we are not going to solve the error itself, but we have providing a remedy to avoid the error. So that's it for today. Thank you.